Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I share all different types of jewelry that I make, either for my shop or something I found on the internet or something I have been requested to make. And we are on the roll. I have so many requests from you guys, which I'm so happy about. And yeah, if you requested something, please give me at least a couple weeks to get the video done, because it does take me some time. But anyways, this video is one of the requests as well, and it is this gorgeous crystal bracelet. So pretty, really cute. I haven't finished it yet because I want to put the ends on with you, but that's what we're going to be doing. So the things that I'm going to use are, I have two different color crystal beads. These ones are 4mm, and then I have these Miyuki gold beads, and they are size 11/0. You don't need to use the same beads. Use any beads you like. Don't need to use the same colors either. I just like these ones together, that's why I picked them. The only thing I would suggest you is to make sure that the diameter of the hole in the bead is big enough for your whatever size fishing line you have to fit through 4 times. Then I have some closures, then I have pliers, scissors, mat and fishing line, and the size is 0.32mm. Everything that I use I will link in the description box, so if you want anything that you see on the screen right now, except the flowers, actually I could probably link them as well, I will link them in the description box. So we're gonna start by taking 4 strings of fishing line, and I will take them 40 to 50 centimeters each, but this is where it will vary for each person, because we just simply, because we have different size wrists. Or if you're meant to make a necklace, then it's going to be a whole different story, because then you're going to need a lot more fishing line than for a bracelet. But I am taking about 50 centimeters each. If I have some left over, that's fine. We take 2 strings of fishing line and we put them together, and obviously so they are the same length. We take one of the fold over crimp end and put the fishing line in, and then just hold it down, and now we're gonna just fold down the sides. And you want to do it really tight so the fishing line doesn't come out. And if you use these like different pliers, then it makes it a bit like not straight, so it's like wave kind of thing, and I think that holds it better. Okay, and then if you have like little bits of fishing line, you can just cut them off like so. And now I am going to take 1 jump ring and lobster claw, open up the jump ring and put it on, and close the jump ring. And we have prepared one side of the bracelet, so we got 4 ends of the fishing line coming through. Okay, and now we can start beading, and I am going to take the 2 fishing lines that I have in the middle, and I am going to pour 1 golden bead, and I put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead like so. And then I take 1 pink bead on one end, 1 pink bead on the other end. Then I take 1 green bead on one end and 1 green on the other end. And then if I take another gold bead and pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, drag it down, this is how it's going to look. And now I am going to take one green bead on one end of the fishing line and one on the other, and then one pink bead on one end and the other on the other end, and then take one golden bead and pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. It's a little messy with the other two ends being in a way, but no rush, to take your time and it's gonna be fine. And then if you drag it down, this is how it looks. And then you repeat the same thing. So you do one pink bead on one end, one on the other, one green on one end and one green on the other end, and then you take one golden bead, pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, drag it down, and this is how it looks. And you just continue doing that until you reach the size of the bracelet or necklace or anklet you want it to be. You can even make a ring, to be honest. So one green bead, one pink bead on each end, and then golden bead, one each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Like so. And as I said, you just keep going until you reach the size of the bracelet you want it to be. So now I have just beaded the same thing over and over until I reach the size I wanted my bracelet to be. So I'm gonna leave this end just hanging, and now I am going to start working with the other two ends of the fishing line. I'm gonna do one side and then a couple times and then the other side. So I take one end and I put it through the pink, the green and the green bead. Like so. And then I take the same end and I pull one pink bead, one golden bead, another pink bead on. And then once it goes down, it's going to look like this. And now I take the same end of the fishing line and I put it through the two green beads again. And when you pull it, going to create a nice little petals. That's how you call them. This is how it looks. And now I do the same thing, but I'm gonna put the fishing line through both of the pink beads and both of the green beads. So now it's coming out from here, and we do the same thing. We take one pink bead, one golden bead, and another pink bead. Put them on the fishing line like so. And then you put the fishing line through the green beads. And when you pull it, you create the petals again. I will do the other side now. So you can just work like this and do it through this side, or you can just turn around and do exactly as you did just now. I will do it that way because I work with my right hand. So I just take the fishing line, put it through the pink, the green, and the second green bead. Like so. And then I take one pink bead, one gold bead, and another pink bead. And then I take the fishing line and I put it through two green beads. And then you go through again the pink, pink, green, green beads. Like so. And then you take again pink, one golden, and another pink bead. And then you put the fishing line through the green beads. And this is how you create the flowers, and you just keep going like this until you reach the end of the bracelet. Okay, so this is how it should look, and now we only need to put the other end, fold over, crimp end on, and we do it the same way. We just put the fishing lines together, take one of the ends, take all the fishing line and sort of like put it on the crimp end, and then we take pliers and just fold down the sides. Like so, and then I take these other pliers and just squeeze it as hard as you can. And then you just cut off the loose ends of the fishing line. Take another jump ring, open it up, and put it on. And that's your bracelet done. This was probably the easiest one I have ever made. Even though it doesn't look that easy, it's like at first I was like, how am I gonna do this? But it's actually so easy to make, and it's so pretty as well. Tell me this is not the cutest thing you have ever seen. It's a bit too big. I always make my bracelets a bit too big because I'm just like, I don't know. But like, how pretty is that? And you can make so many different colors. Like the beads that I got, these ones, I will show you the box. Look how many different colors are in there. I'm covering the brand because I don't work with them or anything. I will still link them in the description box, but you can just experiment with so many different colors. That's so cute. I can't wait to make some more. But yeah, this is it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is the best way you can support me, and I'm grateful for every single one of you. Thank you. Bye.